Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious jerk burgers. First, select about 1½ pounds of good quality ground beef, ideally 80% lean. Next, prepare your jerk marinade using fresh scotch bonnet peppers, scallions, thyme, and a blend of aromatic spices. Ensure the marinade is well blended. Then, thoroughly mix the marinade into the ground meat, ensuring even distribution. Allow the mixture to marinate for a minimum of 2 hours, or preferably overnight, to infuse maximum flavor. Once your meat is perfectly marinated, it's time to form the patties. Aim for patties that are about 1 inch thick and slightly wider than your buns, as they will shrink during cooking. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly oil the grates to prevent sticking. Place the patties on the hot grill and cook for 4 to 5 minutes per side for a juicy medium doneness. Adjust cooking time for your preferred level of doneness. Now for the exciting part, assembling your incredible jerk burger. First, lightly toast your burger buns on the grill or in a pan for a delightful crunch. Next, think about your toppings. A cool, creamy coleslaw or a sweet and tangy mango salsa complements the spicy jerk flavor beautifully. Add fresh lettuce, a slice of ripe tomato, and perhaps some red onion. Stack everything high for a truly satisfying bite. To complete your jerk burger experience, consider some fantastic side dishes. Sweet potato fries, a fresh garden salad, or even some grilled pineapple are excellent choices. For those who love extra heat, offer a small bowl of additional jerk sauce on the side for dipping. These burgers are packed with flavor, making them a fantastic meal for any occasion. Enjoy every delicious bite of your homemade jerk burger.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.